Welcome to a new era of governance, where the power is in the hands of the people. The network state is a revolutionary concept that challenges traditional nation-states and their outdated systems. By leveraging technology and decentralization, the network state offers a new way of organizing society that is more flexible, efficient, and innovative. Imagine a world where you have a say in how your community is governed. Where decisions are made through consensus, not by a handful of politicians. Where you can easily connect with like-minded individuals from all over the world and work together towards a common goal. This is the promise of the network state, and it's closer than you think. The network state is a new type of governance structure that is decentralized, borderless, and operates entirely online. Unlike traditional nation-states, which are defined by physical borders and centralized power structures, the network state is based on voluntary participation and digital citizenship. At its core, the network state represents a shift away from the traditional model of governance, where power is concentrated in the hands of a few individuals or institutions. Instead, it empowers individuals to participate in decision-making processes and gives them greater control over their own lives. The idea of starting a new country may seem daunting, but there are many reasons why it could be a worthwhile pursuit. Traditional nation-states often struggle with bureaucratic inefficiencies, political polarization, and outdated systems that fail to meet the needs of their citizens. By creating a new type of governance structure, such as the network state, we have the opportunity to build a system that is more flexible, innovative, and responsive to the needs of its citizens. One key advantage of the network state is its ability to leverage technology to create a more efficient and effective government. For example, blockchain technology could be used to create a secure and transparent voting system, while artificial intelligence could help streamline bureaucratic processes and reduce waste. Additionally, the network state would allow for greater experimentation and innovation in areas such as healthcare, education, and environmental policy, as smaller communities within the network could test out new ideas and approaches without risking the entire system. One of the biggest advantages of the network state is its flexibility. Unlike traditional nation-states, the network state can adapt to changing circumstances and respond quickly to new challenges. This allows for more efficient decision-making and a greater ability to innovate. In addition to flexibility, the network state also offers increased efficiency. By leveraging technology and modern infrastructure, the network state can streamline processes and reduce bureaucracy. This leads to faster implementation of policies and a more responsive government. While the network state offers many advantages over traditional nation-states, there are also significant challenges to overcome. One of the biggest obstacles is gaining recognition from other countries. Without recognition, it can be difficult to establish trade relationships, secure funding, and participate in international organizations. Additionally, building a new country from scratch requires significant resources and expertise, which can be difficult to acquire. To overcome these challenges, the network state must focus on building strong partnerships with existing nations and organizations. This can involve forming alliances, participating in international events, and showcasing the benefits of the network state model. Additionally, the network state must prioritize education and skill-building programs to ensure that its citizens have the knowledge and expertise necessary to build a successful country. As we look towards the future of governance, it's clear that traditional nation-states are no longer the only option. The network state represents a new era of governance, one that is more flexible, innovative, and efficient than anything we've seen before. By leveraging the power of technology and decentralized networks, the network state has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about governance. It offers a truly democratic model that empowers individuals and communities, while also providing the stability and security necessary for long-term success. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one.